This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by registering session services so the server can store per-user data. In Program, CS Add Services. Add distributed memory cache and services. Add session, then configure cookie options and timeout. Once done, make sure you call app. Use session early in the pipeline, before routing and endpoints, so middleware can attach session to HTTP context. This establishes storage and cookie behavior. You're creating the plumbing that your controllers will rely on for read and write access. Now you'll interact with session inside controllers and middleware. You can call HTTP context, session, set string, key, value, and get string, key for primitives, for complex types, serialize to JSON and store as bytes or a string. Once stored, the data persists across requests until timeout or explicit removal. Make sure to check HTTP context. Session is available before reading, and use try get value when you need to handle missing keys gracefully. This pattern keeps data scoped per user without hitting your database every request. To finish, validate end-to-end behavior. Test in a browser, inspect the session cookie, and confirm values persist between requests. For production, replace in-memory store with a distributed cache like RIDI so sessions survive scale-out. If things go wrong, clear cookies and restart the app to eliminate stale state. If sessions appear empty, ensure app. Use session runs before routing and that cookie same site and secure settings match your environment. Finally, add logging around /, get operations to trace unexpected clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.